What's going on, everybody? God bless you guys all. Verse of the day will be right here, guys. I hope I'm dropping some gems for y'all. But anyways, today's video was going to be on these carbon mirrors. I'm going to show you them. But I tried to start the video and they don't work. They're more for like if you don't have the M style mirrors from factory. So they don't work, unfortunately, and I can't ship them because it's gonna be, they want me to pay for it and it's gonna be more expensive. So I'm gonna try to sell them, so we'll see. But this is what they gave me. They're so fire too, man. But you see this right here, it's already like carbon. It's got to be like open to clip to my mirror, since my mirrors are OEM M style from factory. And yeah, so if anybody's interested in these, let me know. Local, maybe Connecticut, local, if you're local, I'll sell them. If not, then I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. So today's video is, as you guys may or may not know, I'm not getting an exhaust anytime soon, at least. Stock exhaust sounds phenomenal. So I got this plug right here. There's like a hack you could do. Either you can pull the fuse, but ChatGPT says this, which kind of sketches me out. So I'm not sure if I want to pull the fuse. It's fuse 203, located in the trunk. I already looked at it. I was tempted to pull it because it just stops the valve from opening and closing. But one, you got to drive in Sport Plus until the car gets warm. And then two, you have to pull it while it's on. Yeah, with this one, you just put it in Sport Plus and then just pull the plug. So this is what I got. So there's no corrosion in the plug. It's literally just a block off. It's a plug to nothing. And then I got electrical tape for the valve side. So obviously I want to protect the harness. So I'm going to plug this in and then electrical tape the valve side and see where I'm going to put this hat, because I don't know where I'm going to put the hat, like as far as like the harness is concerned. But yeah, anyways, let's get started with that. I already unplugged it. I'm just going to show you guys what to unplug. It's easy. And yeah. Other than that, that's pretty much it. As you guys can see, I unplugged the sensor and put that little adapter thing on. It's just a block off to protect it. I'm sure you can get two. One for this and one for that one. But I'm gonna just tape this one off and then leave that like that. I'm gonna put that somewhere, probably tuck it behind that plate. Hey guys, what I did was tape this connector up a little. This is only temporary because I am getting MHD and you can control the flap with MHD. So, but I took this bolt off right here, this one, and tucked the harness behind this heat shield, and then I tightened. It's a 10 mil, but you can take it out by hand. So I just tightened that, and then we're gooch. That's literally it. Figured I'd record the last bit of this video, but pretty much you guys can hit the Sport. You guys see here, you don't hear no change in the exhaust. It sounds the same. It doesn't work anymore. I unplugged it. So now it still obviously shifts and all that good. It still got the XHP tune. I did remove the JB4. We aren't on JB4 anymore. And I put on, I'm gonna take off my DME, ECU, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna take that off Sunday and ship it Monday and get all that jazz done pretty much.